Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The Japanese yen strengthened after authorities intervened in the foreign exchange market to shore up the battered currency for the first time since 1998, although trading was choppy. Tesla informed the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration that it is recalling almost 1.1 million vehicles because of a possible safety issue with its automatic windows. Oil prices rose, helped by raised geopolitical risks and returning Chinese demand, even as a number of central banks tightened monetary policy, potentially dampening global demand. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Tesla's stock dove 3.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The Dutch gross domestic product at 0430 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. Canada's retail sales at 1230 GMT. Singapore's Consumer Price Index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.